What you're about to watch started as a normal McDonald's drive-thru order late one night. A totaled Honda, a police cruiser with fresh damage. An officer kicked in a place no officer ever wants to be kicked.
Hold on, she's reaching.
Let me see your hand!
This whole thing could have ended peacefully at the drive-thru window if she had just said one single word. Stay with me, because the moment she chose to say something else is the moment her night fell apart.
How you doing tonight, man? What's going on? Yeah, well, they try giving you your food. You don't want it. Then you need to get out of here. What? Did she pay for her food? Did you pay for your food yet, ma'am? You have an ID on you?
Yeah, I do.
Can I get your ID, please?
Yeah, take my ID.
Thank you.
Where does the money go?
Say again?
Money?
It goes to them. What's going on?
How much?
Ask them. I don't know the bill.
Here's why these McDonald's arrests actually start. The officer wasn't cruising for trouble, he wasn't running a DUI checkpoint, and he wasn't tipped off by anyone on the road.
Earlier, yeah.
How long ago?
Oh, we said
Okay. All right, so what we're going to do, if you don't mind, can you step out of the car for me?
not really.
Well, you're going to have to, okay?
Yeah, I don't think that's necessary.
Okay, well, I need you to step out of the car, all right?
What I think is necessary is, like, get my food.
All right, I'm going to ask you one more time. I need you to step out of the vehicle.
Alright, let me at least answer a person's call.
You can do that outside.
No, I'll do it inside.
I'm giving you one last chance. I need you to step out of the vehicle right now.
She was drunk, like she didn't even know she had said it out loud. That one sentence is the entire reason a police officer is now standing at her driver's window. And this is where it gets interesting, because Shay still has a way out of this.
Step out of the vehicle. I'm going to ask you one more time. I'm going to break this window.
Now watch this exchange carefully, because the officer is not being aggressive. He's not accusing her of anything. He's asking soft, open questions.
He is en route to ambulance.
Ma'am, open the door.
I hear you!
Door.
I hear you!
Okay, then open the door. Let's go. Man, put the car in park. Put the car in park. She's trying to flee right now.
Is she with you?
10-4.
This is 10-3, this here is 10-3 Falco. That's also Juliet 140.
I need a unit at the east side of the McDonald's and the south side.
And that's when she makes the first decision that changes everything. When a police officer says, "Step out of the vehicle," that is not a suggestion. That is a lawful order. And refusing it is where the felony clock actually starts
Road
ticking.
extension, southbound, and it's a gray Honda. Do you have a tag?
54. Her front bumper's entirely ripped off.
She's just starting to dead end. There's 10-3, this is 10-3. Vehicle crash on a Willow Street. Everyone take it slow, you guys don't stop. Take it slow.
Shay doesn't refuse once. She refuses 4 separate times. He warns her he's going to break the window. He tells her to open the door. He tells her to put the car in park. You cannot flee from a McDonald's drive-thru. Physically, tactically, legally, it is one of the worst possible places on the planet to try to outrun a police officer.
I got passenger.
And she tried anyway.
Take it slow. Let's do it by the numbers, guys. All right. Watch hands. Get cover. Not going anywhere. He's not going anywhere. Hey. Let this turn into a barricade if it needs to. Go for it. No. Watch where he's reaching. He's reaching in the glove box. I see him. Don't worry. We got the drop if he's got anything. Let's just take this slow.
If you're new here, I break down real body cam cases like this one every week, so hit subscribe because the next case I've got queued up is somehow even wilder than this one.
Get that car out of there. Yo, watch crossfire.
Do not park there!
Hey, move that car! Move your car. You're in the line of fire.
All right, everyone get off the radio. Hey, you're not going anywhere. Give it up.
Her front bumper is ripped completely off the Honda. She's clipped a patrol vehicle on the way in. And there is a detail in this footage most viewers miss the first time. That's the moment this McDonald's arrest almost becomes a shooting scene. Multiple officers screaming the same commands at two people who will not listen. Watch how disciplined this actually looks.
Get out of the car. You're not going anywhere. Get lethal right here. I'll get my shield. We'll smash the window. We're just going to extract her. Let's get ready to extract her. Hold on. She's reaching. She's reaching.
Let me see your hand!
Stop reaching!
Suit! She got her phone. She got her phone.
You guys drop your guns. We're going to have lethal. One
You don't
lethal
even, she doesn't
coverage
even
come
have a
up
door.
with us.
She doesn't even have a door handle, so.
I got lethal. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
She doesn't have a working interior door handle. Officers have to physically extract her from the driver's seat. And the passenger, the one who was reaching for the glove box, turns out to have nothing on him at all.
It's clear. Interior's clear.
One arm. Can we get close?
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Juliet 140.
Get up. I'm gonna search her real quick.
Pat down. People, you pat down.
And we all good.
Alright, get in there.
Looking color, she walked into the wrong house and into the
Yo, if I can get in, I can get in. Can I get in?
13 zones.
Thank you for filming. Babe, I love it.
For crash notification.
Here's the part that turns her charges from bad to felony stack. On the way to the hospital, Shay kicks the officer. Not once, twice. And she doesn't kick him in the leg. She kicks him in a place that, under this state's statute, elevates the entire charge into aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer. That is a felony. That is prison eligible. And she did it after the arrest, on camera, in the back of a marked patrol car, purely because she was still furious about a McDonald's order.
You think I don't remember?
How can you remember him? You just started.
Yo, hey! Do not kick me!
Don't.
Kick me in the head! Stop! Stop kicking me! Stop! Kicking in the freaking nuts, man. She kicking the nuts? Yeah, twice.
Yeah, you deserve to be kicked.
Don't kick again.
You don't need kids. I'll kick you as much as I want to.
Am I good to move my leg out?
Hey, someone put my head over and see what room.
It's fine. You're pretty light.
Oh, thank you, babe. I'm gonna.
All right, up we go. Yeah, let's go. Butt in there.
My butt in there?
Yeah, get your butt in there.
Well, what's the difference?
By the time she's booked, Shay is looking at felony aggravated battery on an officer, felony battery on an officer, felony fleeing with disregard for the safety of people or property, and resisting without violence. 4 charges out of 1 drive-thru run. She is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law, but here's the part that reframes the entire story. This is not the first time Shay has been sitting in the back of a squad car. Back in 2022, Shay was on her way to pick up her final paycheck after being fired from a World of Beer tavern. And instead of walking in, grabbing that check, and walking out, she allegedly keyed her former boss's burgundy Chevy Monte Carlo. $1,200 in damage, according to the arrest report. She was arrested at her home on felony criminal mischief, and she was already on probation at the time for a prior burglary charge. And the pattern with repeat offenders is almost never that they wake up one morning and commit their worst crime out of nowhere. They get there through a chain of small, unchecked decisions that nobody stopped early enough. A keyed car in 2022, a probation status, a bond release, a drive-thru order at midnight, and then a felony pileup at a dead end on Davie Road Extension. So the question isn't why Shay ended up in jail after a McDonald's run. The question is why she was still free to end up there in the first place. Drop your take in the comments. Tell me where you think the system failed and where you think she failed herself, and I'll see you on the next case.